Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi.
Just hi, okay. So today we are going, you want to tell them where we're going?
We're gonna go to a corn maze if I could find the one we were gonna go to.
We're going to a corn maze. I'm really excited. It's like one of my favorite things to do for fall. Hashtag basic. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. I hate it when people like hashtag stuff like that. Just my pet peeve. But anyway, we are going to a corn maze. It is seriously one of my favorite things to do this time of year. And for some reason, we always wait until the last weekend to do it. So, I don't know why. But, so yeah. So today, we are doing that. I thought it would be fun to take you guys along, like, on a fall day. Like, day in my life, weekend, fall weekend edition. I don't know. We're currently waiting to get the address, and then we will be on our way. It is 55 degrees outside. It's kind of gross. It was raining all day yesterday, so thankfully it's not raining today. I don't think it's supposed to. Fingers crossed it doesn't start raining on us in the corn maze, because that would suck. Yeah, especially since I only brought like a little sweatshirt, no like hood, nothing. That's what we're doing today, so I figured I would take you guys along. But now we're gonna go because we're gonna eat some lunch, get on the road, and well, I don't know what I'm doing, and I'll update you guys when we get there. We made it to the corn maze. I'm so excited. Also, it looks like it's gonna rain, so that's not fun. But I'll try to get as many clips as I can before it starts to rain. All right.
You wanna go that way? Sure. Do you wanna try and finish the whole map or get out?
Both. You guys, we're struggling.
We are.
The struggle is real. Also, look at all this mud. Like, I'm afraid I'm gonna fall. Ew. But this is really cool. This is a really
big,
fun place. Ooh, and you have like, you have to get like piece the map together. And you also
so
have like
big,
clues.
Yeah,
it's insane. So much fun in the corn maze. Like, I like this one because there's other stuff to do besides just like escape, you know?
Yeah.
It like really does remind me of the pineapple one from our Hawaii vlogs.
Yeah. It's more like a scavenger hunt.
Yeah. So now we're looking for these. We completed the map, but now we're trying to follow the map to get out. So wish us luck.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive.
So yeah, we're trying to find our way out, and then I don't know what we're gonna do later today, but we'll let you know when we have escaped the corn maze. Survived the corn maze. We got out alive. It's a good time. It was a really fun corn maze. Now we are headed home. I don't know what we're going to do, but I guess we'll figure that out. And yeah, I'll probably combine today and tomorrow and do like a weekend vlog or something. Sound like a good idea?
That sounds like a great idea.
Although we're not doing anything interesting tomorrow, so
Probably.
I mean, we're going to church, but I'm obviously not gonna vlog church.
She is vlog church.
I'm not gonna vlog church, but other than that, like nothing. We're doing nothing. So also it started raining, but it waited until like we got in the car and we're on our way home, so that's good, because didn't want to be doing the corn maze in the rain. So also the corn maze, it took us an hour and a half, guys. It was crazy.
Crazy banana head.
So, but I think that was like the best corn maze that I've ever done. Would you say?
I don't know if it was the best one I've ever done, but it was pretty good.
best one that we've done together.
Definitely the best one we've done together.
Yeah, the best one we've done together. Because last year's was meh.
Last year's probably would have been good if the corn hadn't been trampled over by everyone cutting through where they weren't supposed to.
Yeah, this one had some of that, but it wasn't like as bad as most of the corn mazes.
Last year it was hard to tell like where you're actually supposed to go.
Yeah, last year's was just kind of, we still had fun, but it just like wasn't, it was just weird. And then a couple years ago when we went with Katie, that one was okay.
It had like that big bridge in the middle, right? That
yeah.
That one was okay.
That one was okay.
It was short though. I just remember it being pretty short.
But this one was really cool. I wish we like lived closer, where was it, to Indiana?
Yeah.
Because they have a Stranger Things corn maze.
It was somewhere around Indiana or like Ohio or something like that.
So that would have been fun, but we can't drive we can't drive all the way over there. But yeah, this one was really fun. I think we might try to go back next weekend because apparently they're open next weekend also. I was thinking, I had in my head that this was like the last week for all the corn mazes, but they're open next weekend and they do it like at night with a flashlight, which I think would be really, really fun. So I think we're gonna.
The corn was doing okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna see if like any friends want to join us or something. I'm not sure, but it was really cool. So if you live in the where were we? Around Charlotte.
In the Charlotte area.
It was like in the Charlotte area. You should definitely check out this place. What was it called? Rural Hill. Something like that. So you should definitely check it out if you live in that area or around there. It was really cool. And I think I showed you guys, but you have to like get, it was like a scavenger hunt, so you had to like find the pieces to the map so you could figure out how to get out. And then it also had like a crossword, and there were spots that had like clues to what the, well, I mean not clues, but like it actually had the answer. So that was really cool because it wasn't just like you were trying to find your way out of a corn maze. It was like you had to find certain things in order to figure out how to get out. So it was very similar to the pineapple maze at the Dole Plantation in Hawaii. So if you guys watch that vlog, you'll know what I'm talking about. I'll link it down below. But it was very similar because it was like a scavenger hunt within like a maze. So it was really, really cool. And it was a lot of fun. But I'm tired now because it's like
we walked
forever.
A lot.
We walked a lot.
If you walk like every trail and path they have, it's like over 2 miles.
Yeah. So anyway, so it was fun. Now we gotta figure out what we're gonna do for dinner. We have to clean off our shoes. They're so muddy. But it was worth it. It was fun. Also, very similar to the pineapple maze because our shoes got so muddy. Was it? Yeah, they got so muddy there, but also on the walking trail that we did while we were in Hawaii.
Yeah, we did make a bit of a mess in Hawaii. That was a bit unfortunate.
So, but exciting things.
And then we had to throw our shoes away because the Hawaii airport was like, you can't take that soil back with you. That's Hawaii soil.
No, but I think I did end up throwing those shoes away because they just like, they were never the same.
I think you left them even more in Hawaii, didn't you?
No, I think I brought them home because I was like trying to save them. But like once shoes get like that muddy, there's just,
yeah, shoes never, boots will recover okay, but like
shoes never really recover.
Especially if you don't clean them like right away.
Really,
and the problem was we were like still going around.
Yeah.
Actually, no, that we did that like the day before we left, so we didn't have time to clean them or something, right? So anyway, but exciting stuff. We would have because we ended up having to stay another night.
True. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll link all of our Hawaii vlogs. They're pretty fun. I like to go back and watch them and then wish I was in Hawaii. But in May of 2020 we will be going back to the Dole Plantation, Pearl Harbor, but I don't think I can vlog at Pearl Harbor because I feel like they had some parts they could
vlog once we were across at the memorial, but not like on the boat ride or something weird like that. There's like some rules, which is totally understandable. Or like you could take pictures but maybe not video. Yeah, or it was something weird. Something like that you couldn't do, just like, but I don't remember exactly. But so we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna get a berry bowl because that was my favorite part of Hawaii, and it's gonna be really exciting. My grandma has never been to Hawaii and she's always wanted to go, so we're finally taking her on a Disney cruise and I'm really excited, but that's not for like another 1.5 years.
but I'm still excited about it, so, you know.
Not spoilers.
Well, I'm excited. I can't just hold it in. I need to share. So, yeah. But anyway, that was our magical day at the corn maze, and I need to go because it's like a 7-minute long clip of me rambling. We're back! The dinosaur story. You always do that. Oh, lighting.
There is light, yes.
No, it's like terrible. There's no good, like, you can't, there we go. Maybe you can kind of see me now. So, we're sitting in line for Starbucks because it's like an every Sunday thing for me. I get tea, not coffee, but it's like my little treat for the week. So, it's like, yay, you did it. You got up out of bed, you got ready, so you can have Starbucks. That's how I feel about it. So, but I only get it once a week because it's kind of expensive, and normally I just make my own tea at home. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're getting Starbucks, then we're gonna go get some breakfast somewhere, and then we're gonna go to church. And I'm not gonna film at church, but you know. Ooh, hang on. Guys, there's a bee on my window. Look how crazy that is. It's just chilling on my window. My new video just went live this morning, so go check it out.
I feel like we're gonna go to church and then go home and eat and then play video games and watch Netflix.
Oh, okay. Well, I feel like we're gonna go to church, then we're gonna come home and eat, then we're going to make a grocery list and go to the grocery store, and probably should fold some laundry and clean because the apartment's looking not so great. What were you doing? Shaking your head? That it's not so great, or that you are not doing that?
That's not what we're doing today.
Yes, that is what we are doing today. So, why is my eye watering right there? Ugh. So, yeah, that's what we're doing today. Going to church, pretty, I don't want to say boring, because not that church is boring, but vlog content wise, it's kind of boring because I'm not gonna like vlog church, you know? So we'll try to make this interesting.
By playing video games and watching Netflix.
Oh my gosh, no. What's your new, okay, for all you gamers out there, what's your new game that you're playing?
Red Dead Redemption 2.
What's your review on it so far?
It's good.
It's good?
It's good. It's good.
It's kind of, like my review on it, it's really kind of violent. And like very, I don't want to say realistic, but like just very, like, I don't know, like it's
Tell them why you think it's violent.
Because the bear like came out and like ate you, but it wasn't like a normal like video game movie where they like don't show you everything. Like this thing was like showing everything. I was like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? So that was pretty crazy. And then he like killed an alligator and he had to skin it, and like it showed the whole process, and I was just like, what is going on? So
but if it'd been a cow I was butchering, you'd been like, that's not how you butcher a cow.
Probably. I grew up on a farm, just so you know, so that is why I know about butchering cows. Got my Royal English breakfast tea latte. You know what I find funny about Starbucks drinks, guys, is that the tea is like way hotter than the coffee, and they have to like double cup it. It's because the water's so hot, but like it just doesn't make sense to me why the tea is so much hotter than like the coffee. I don't know. It's a mystery.
It's probably more science than a mystery, but science. No. Tea has to be hot to brew correctly.
I mean, I get that, but it's just funny to me. Okay, it's funny that it's like so ridiculously hot, and then coffee is not. It's funny. Okay, just let it be funny. Now we are on our way to get food. I don't like getting food at Starbucks because there's nothing really on their menu that I'm like feeling, you know? So I like to go to Sheetz and get something. So that's what we're doing, and then we'll be on our way to the church, and like I won't be vlogging there, but you know, it's all gonna be a good time. Right?
Right.
We made it home from church. Finally, it's like really late. It's 3 and we just got home, so it's kind of a fail. But we did go to Barnes & Noble and we got some exciting things, so I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so I got 2 cookbooks. So the first one I got was the Whole Smith's Good Food Cookbook, which has some Whole30 recipes in it. And I've been looking at this for like months, and every time we go to Barnes & Noble, I look at it, I say I want it, and I never get it. And so finally today I was like, I'm doing it, I'm getting it. So this is exciting. The thing that's really cool about this cookbook is that it has, like, it'll tell you if it's paleo, gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, Whole30. Then there are some that like said like this, where it's like you can modify it and make it Whole30. So I really like that because, oops, as I hit the camera, because I like to do a lot of Whole30 things. I've been really bad lately, but I like to do that because I just feel better when I'm eating like more whole foods, you know? Also, James is playing his new video game where he like kills animals or something.
That dude just tried to steal my horse.
Whoa. You and that horse, you have like a lot of issues with your horse, man. Get it together, right, Dixie? Dixie's like, I just want someone to throw my ball. Hey, hey. You gonna be on camera? No? Okay. Anyway, we gotta focus here.
Focus. We gotta focus on the...
Then I also got the new Whole30 Slow Cooker Cookbook, which I'm really excited about because one thing that I hate... One thing that I hate about cooking is like how long things take, and that's why a lot of times like we will eat out because I'm just like, we need something fast. Why is the camera trying to focus like on the blanket? That's so weird. Okay.
On the blanket?
Yeah, it was focusing on the blanket for some reason. So I like that they have like a slow cooker, like you can just throw it in the crock pot. It also has like stuff that you can put in the Instant Pot. I always say Insta, maybe because like Instagram. But anyway, I don't have an Instant Pot, but maybe I need to get one. If you guys have one, leave in the comments and tell me like if I need one. Like, is it good? If I need it, whatever. So I'm really excited. I have all of the Whole30 cookbooks and books and everything. Huge fan of the Whole30. It is hard. It's not like hard as in like it's hard to figure out how to do, but it's hard as in like I really like ice cream and you can't have ice cream, so you know that's hard. But like it's not hard, if that makes sense. But I really like it. But one thing that I want to do is not do like a Whole30, but I want to eat more like Whole30 meals, you know? Not do a strict Whole30, but do like most of my meals that are Whole30 compliant. So technically I'm not doing the Whole30. So I don't want to be like, oh, I'm doing a Whole30, because I'm not. But I want to have like more Whole30 type meals. And I want to like do more paleo style stuff, just because I know that eating that way makes me feel better. I feel my anxiety is much better when I follow like this type of eating, follow this way of eating, whatever. Right?
Right.
It's so dark because you're like against the window, so it's
like the window is probably like...
Yeah. Have you had a good day?
I have had a good day. Have you had a good day?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I'm super tired though. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I forgot to end the vlog. We really didn't do a whole lot after my last clip. Dixie, don't do that. Sorry, we went over to James's parents' house for dinner, and we were there for quite a while, and then we came home. James played video games. I like did my relaxing nighttime routine, which is coming in a video very soon, so I'll show you guys how I like relax and unwind for the day. I'm gonna end this vlog because my battery's about to die, so please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell notification so that way you're uploaded. Why do I always want to say you're uploaded? So that way you're notified anytime that I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.